Hey, yo, what's up, Boss Cats? This is your guy, Boss Cat Astronaut, with another update for you on the Boss Cat Rocket Club. Today, I'm going to go through some announcements just so that you have another opportunity to hear them outside of our wonderful Discord. Uh, and then I'm going to briefly go over some floor prices and how they've been impacted. We'll keep it short, we'll keep it sweet. So let's go ahead and get going here with our announcements. So there's two. The first announcement deals with rocket assembly. Those of you who have three matching parts, on January 20th, you will begin the opportunity to be able to uh, assemble your rocket. And they're telling you that you need a NAMI wallet. So there's information online, or you can check out the Discord in order to get more information on how to create a NAMI wallet. It's pretty easy, guys. The second announcement has to do with our amazing members who are getting Boss Cat Rocket Club tattoos. Hats off to you for the wonderful artwork and passion and support that you have for the community. Putting something that's permanent uh, on your body is just a testament to how much you believe in the project. Uh, Unfortunately, there's so many people that are getting tattoos that the cutoff date has changed to January 13th today at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you want to get on the 213 whitelist, your cutoff is today. It says that Blue Magic will consider beautiful and elaborate tattoos before January 20th, but I would encourage you to get that today if it's something that you're going to do. With that said, let's get into the 213 whitelist and provide a quick update here. So, the 213 drop on February 13th, it'll be bigger than ever. He's working with companies bigger than Sandbox. Drop down in the chat who you guys think that could be. Like, the list goes on and on as my head thinks about that. But he also provides some more details. So if you have a fully assembled rocket, you'll be given one NFT airdrop for the 213 men on the 13th. If you have one of the 1,000 rarest boss cats, you'll be airdropped a Vox boss cat for free after the 213 drop. And then there's those of you who have the most impressive, the top 10 most impressive tattoos. You'll personally be sent one free airdrop out of the 213 mint as well. And now let's get into the whitelist requirements, which have changed. So you have to be a holder of two boss cats and one rocket part to mint 5, a holder of one boss cat and two rocket parts to mint 5, a holder of a fully assembled rocket to mint 5. And then the rest of the whitelist is determined by Blue Magic or people from the tattoo whitelist, and they'll be able to mint 2. So that gives you a high level idea of what to expect. Really quick, as you can see, our floor prices are a bit low for cats right now. I think that's because folks are kind of FOMOing over into getting their rocket parts. So, guys, get out there, get your parts, get your requirements for the whitelist. Start every day with a grateful heart, and I'll talk to you, Boss Cat, soon. Later.